I say no man, farm yard there, you know. You see pre, yeah people, and I say, I have a little tour to take on up on. You see it, yeah, from a little farm, and not much, but you understand. Yeah man, I make the people them see what I want, see them way, in a real life. Yeah, so, here I say people, the state. Yeah people,
Beats exclusive.
but they're close. Bam. Yeah, them here are some of the baby ones them. Born about 3 weeks ago now. Beautiful though. Yeah man. Alright people, I'll come back to them. Alright? Alright, I'm gonna take our next tour now. Whoops. Nearly dropped. Alright people, yeah, that's a trough. That's a trough. I'm gonna make for 2 of the baby ones them over there, so. Yeah. And what there, I part this pin to put the 2 of them to. One for go this side and one over that side. You understand? Yeah, one for the over there, so. Yeah. I wanna make our next trough over there so to people. But you know, it's a bit of time, see me. You just have to go and do it step by step. Alright. Go on, sir. Good day, sir. You come to give them a wash out. Not really wash out as in wash out. Then the pen. Yeah, the pen is a mess right now, people. No joke. No joke, the pen is a mess. I'm gonna give it a wash out. And I want you to hear with me. Do it with me as well, alright? Yeah. The two of them smaller than the people. Them more have to put over. Understand? Those both small ones over there. Yeah. I'm gonna put them, one of them in here and the next one over there. Okay? Yeah. Them nice, no? Nice, some people. And guys, text and tell me what you think about them. I like them, man. I love them, no joke. Guys, and I just 2. My mother have enough. I have 4, and 2 of them died. You understand? Yeah, 2 of them died. I'm still carry 2 of them powerful as well. Alright, so fully appreciate it, same way. Yeah. And the other one now. This big mumpy. You see him lie down on Coochie. I will have steady meds people. Yes man, him eat and him belly full. But I want to give them a wash out now. I want to wash the pen them out. You understand? The pen them need washed. You understand? Yeah, that's it. So as me say, I want them there right here with me. Meanwhile, me cover them. Yeah people. No joke. Just a little farm. Little farm when I just a start. Yeah, I just need it. Could I get a little help? It would more better. You understand? Yeah. And I have 2 more for sure on people. 2 more, you understand? Yeah, them pen they need some fixing up and stuff same way, so still want help to do all of that. But you know, in a COVID now, I still a try to do something. Still a try to do something, people, so hear me as a people, I'ma be right back, alright? Yeah, we're gonna set up all of them water there and all of them things there, cause you know it take water to wash out all of them hack pen and things like that. Yeah, and water even coming up pipe, I have to definitely buy water, people, so stay tuned, alright? We're right there with them, we're not left. And I know we're not left. Alright, we're there. look back to it. I'm out. Just stay tuned, no? Stay tuned. I don't see nothing yet. Yeah, people. So the water them reach now. The water them reach. So you know it go. In the pen me I go now. You see it, yeah, me I go look. You know? Yeah. You know it go. Yesterday, push move the people. Yeah, me I go grab it down and do it. You see, bring. Yeah, man. Watching the act pen now, alright? Yeah, I hope on there with me now. No joke, I hope on there with me. Yeah. Yeah, people have used push through now. Yeah, I leave it on the origin. Push through. Get over all of them mess here. I'm not going to walk up. I never said this, but the reason why the Aquin them stays right now is because through me have to go in and out, because you know me have to hustle to get money to buy feed to them and stuff, you know, yeah, people, so that's the reason why the Aquin them run up in this state at all time, you understand? Yeah, because I mostly on Saturday time I have to wash it. Yeah. Yeah. I have a whole heap of things I work on right now, but I need to be done. Not really say work on, but need to be done on the farm right now, people. You understand? Yeah, and with no help, would have good, no joke. Because I need at least 2 more hog pen. You understand? Because you see, by the time him, them baby one them I'm sure no, earlier on, them are gonna need pen. You understand? Because me not plan to sell no hog right now. I build, I make a big farm. You understand? Because I have the space. I'm going to show you people. I have a bit of space and I can build at least 10 more things. You understand? Yeah, and with food no help, would that good. No joke. Yeah. Jamaican yard farmer there. Yeah, people. Just stay tuned with me. we go over the big guy. Yeah, people. Stay tuned. Yeah, people, I mean, I think it's been a party.